Guys, this video is sponsored by OMGqueen. They sent me over their Brazilian Kinky straight 360 frontal. The length I have here is 18 inches, 130% density. Like I said, it is a 360 glueless lace wig. The cap size that I have is a size medium. It has baby hairs, very natural baby hairs. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it does have a sewed-in removable elastic band. It does come with the elastic band, and you can adjust it to your liking. I'm just applying some moves so I can kind of get those baby hairs out the way because I'm about to glue down this wig. I usually don't glue down my wigs, but as soon as I put this wig on, I already knew that I wanted to wear it for a long time. So the glue I'm using is just some beauty supply glue, and the brand as you can tell, it does have bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. The baby hairs are nice and thin and natural.